Hello everyone, my name is Ai. In this video, I want to show you how I utilize lemon peels at home to clean my house and also as a beauty product. And in the US, many people just discard this part as a trash, but it's very useful. So I just wanted to explain how it's very useful and how you can utilize whole lemon to keep your health and also clean your house safely, both for kids and your pet. So first I want to explain how I make this lemon dish soap. It's super easy. This is very strong, like very effective to remove dirt and oil and also like mineral, how can I say, like mineral, solid mineral, like any kind of pot. So first, I want to explain how I made this. It's so easy. You just need a pure castile soap, like liquid version, and also 1 tablespoon of salt for 3 milliliter of castile soap. So you just need to put the lemon peel inside of the tin and pour pure castile soap and put 1 tablespoon of sea salt or just table salt. Any kind of salt has antimicrobial effect and also as a natural preservative, and also remove dirt well, and also using salt as a cleaning agent is also good to get rid of any malice spirit. It's Japanese like idea or Indian idea. Salt is useful to like put away evil like spirit or like bad things. So I just made this from 3 ingredients: castile soap, lemon peel, and sea salt. If you want a very strong dish soap, you can also use washing soda or baking soda instead of salt, but you need to wear gloves if you use washing soda instead of salt. Washing soda and like soap combination is very strong, like detergent to remove like stain, and your pasta plate will become very brightening and whiten again. So it's very strong, but you need to wear gloves. So I prefer to make like a dish soap just with single ingredient: sea salt, castile soap, and lemon peel. That's it. You need to wait for 2 weeks at least, so that like limonene inside of lemon peel will come out, and limonene is kind of component, like it's very effective to remove like oil-based dirt, and also very refreshing aroma limonene has. Any kinds of citrus fruits you can use: orange or lime or yuzu or etc. But I think lemon is the most strong, like as a cleaning agent from my experience. So I also like just simple lemony aroma, so I use lemon. And I wanna tell you, if you love rosemary, you can also make rosemary dish soap by same way. Like rosemary also has antimicrobial, like, and like, yeah, rosemary also have antimicrobial effect as well as lemon peel. So you can also use rosemary if you like rosemary fragrance, and also effective to prevent mold in the future too. And please little bit wait. And this is lemon peel vinegar with loquat leaves. You don't need loquat leaves. You just need to soak lemon peels in white vinegar like this and soak for 2 weeks. And you can make lemony flavor white vinegar to clean all over your house. You just need to dilute this like 2 times. Ratio like 1 cup of lemon vinegar plus 1 cup of water, just water, and put into like spray bottle like this, and you can clean like all surface without marble. Like you can't use any like strong acid liquid on marble because marble made from stone, so it will be melt. And also limonene, like inside of the lemon peel, is very strong to remove like that, so it can melt down both plastic and stone. So don't use like on expensive things, but you can use polish like stainless and also bathroom tile and toilet and almost everything without like sensitive things like stone. So this is lemon peel vinegar to clean all over house. And I want you to make this one first because this is useful to clean everything. Because I made this one with unscented castile soap. I didn't use this one because this has peppermint fragrance. I used just unscented pure castile soap, which is a super huge bottle. I ordered that from Amazon. And pure castile soap liquid version is much cheaper if you buy from Amazon. Like, so I don't recommend to buy such a small bottle. It's better to buy huge bottle and it will last like forever, and also useful for everything, for cleaning, and you can also wash your like face and body like with this one. And if you make with castile soap, like you can wash everything including your body, and it's also I recently recognized effective to remove hyperpigmentation of your skin, like dark spot, because my skin doesn't get suntan, like don't become darker, but sometimes has like uneven color part. So in that case, lemon soap is very useful to remove like hyperpigmentation for me. So I like to use this one for everything. So if you don't use liquid lemon peel soap, like if you don't use for your face or body, you can use unscented dish soap instead of pure castile soap. Yeah, no dye, no alcohol, no synthetic fragrance, no sulfate, or no, I can't read this one, no ethoxylate, anyway, no toxic chemical or no carcinogen unscented dish soap like Better Life brand. Like you can find unscented dish soap to make lemon peel dish soap, or just use liquid castile soap or salsat. You can also buy big version of salsat from Amazon. Salsat is like all-purpose soap, which is environmentally friendly and toxic-free. Or you can also make liquid soap from classic soap, solid, just white castile soap. Just grind the soap and pour hot water, and you can make a pure castile soap liquid. And making liquid soap from solid soap is a good idea to reduce plastic consumption. But if you make like liquid soap from solid castile soap, you need to use all within 1 month because you add water and it might become decay faster than liquid soap, so be careful. Just use the liquid as soon as possible. And if you have a sensitive skin like me, you can also use just classic soap as like dishwasher. When during winter time, my hand tend to become very dry because I like cooking and cleaning as a housewife. So in such a case, excuse me, I use just classic soap. I will show you. I just use such a normal soap to clean dishes because soap is easy to wash away and doesn't remain on skin, so it doesn't sorry, it doesn't cause dry skin. So I don't recommend to make liquid. Actually, I don't recommend to make liquid pure castile soap by yourself from solid soap, because if you want to make that, you can just use like solid soap like this directly to wash dishes and utilize lemon peel just like for scrubbing. Or you can put solid soap with lemon peel inside of net and just use for cleaning. So yeah, so the best way is to make simple dish soap like this with just pure castile soap, sea salt and lemon peel. And also you can eat this part too. Lemon is the safest and also effective way to remove like any kinds of toxins from your home, and also remain like refreshing aroma, lemony aroma, and it also reduces your stress. So lemon has very many health benefits. Just drinking lemon water in the morning is very popular trend recently to detox your body. But lemon peel actually has more vitamins and mineral and antimicrobial effects, so don't discard this part. If you don't use immediately, you can also freeze. And after you make this one, you will be surprised how this is like effective to remove any kinds of dirt. You can also apply on like t-shirts if white t-shirts has a stain, and also clean entire bathroom very well, like become very clean. You will become surprised. And if you wanna make all-purpose surface cleaner from like lemon dish soap you made, like you just need very few drop of lemon soap and pour water and like it become all-purpose surface cleaner. So it will help you to save a lot of money. Like you don't need to buy any kinds of cleaning stuff. Usually I use alcohol or just water to clean marble, so I don't have any issue to clean marble. But bathroom and toilet, I wanna enjoy cleaning. So this soap smells super good, so it also keeps my motivation to clean house every day too. And in the end, I wanna introduce this product too. This is I got from Amazon, lemon peel powder. Yeah, it's organic, 100% natural, organic, no pesticide, no chemical, so it's also toxic-free product and useful to clean everything too. Yeah, just mix with salt or mix with soap, and it remove any kinds of oil effectively too. Yeah, lemon peel powder is also good to like soften your skin and keep your skin beautiful too. Like you can make DIY face mask, mix rice flour, lemon peel powder, and cold milk. I use just oat milk instead of cow milk. to make a vegan friendly DIY face mask. Oat milk also has many, how can I say, many good nutrients for your skin. So I just mix rice flour, lemon peel powder, and oat milk for an exfoliating and skin cleansing mask. Yeah, so, and this is very cheap too. So this is also useful. But as a homemade version, you just keep lemon peel, fresh lemon peel like this. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand my explanation. And if you have another good idea, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.